Hey James, could you make it look like my sister isn't holding her middle finger up? Thank you. James say sure. To me, hi James, I need your help. I lied to friends that I visited Paris. Can you Photoshop me in front of Eiffel Tower? Thanks very much. James say voil. Hey James, can you make this look like we are in more dangerous waters? I want to look cool. James, say no swimming. Jamie, can you make my face reflect in the sky? Reflection on the bean? Thanks. James say there you go. What? Hey James, can you make it look like I'm fighting the goose? 1-0. Hey Jay, would it be possible to put a tattoo of an angle with little wings on my belly? Theox. It's James. Done.
Nice.
To me, hi James, we love one boy and I want to send this photo to him. Can you make that I look great and other girl in black shoes look bad? Sorry, thanks. James say sure. To me, hi James, can you help me look more natural with the octopus? It's coming off awkward at the moment. James say more natural. Hi James, will you make me look like a bad boy? James say the police are on their way. Can you make it look like I actually know how to fish? Jamie say you're doing great. I am the one, the way your son don't need. To me, hi, can you somehow adjust my hands and make it look like I'm holding a glowing orb ball? Thank you. James say there you go. Hey Jamie, could you please give me a beard or something in this picture? Thank you. James say got you some beard. Hello James, can you please close my girlfriend's eyes in this picture? Thank you. James say hope this helps. To me, hey Jay, can you make my hair messy like morning hair? Don't care girls? James say of course. Hello from Turkey James, here's a photo of me which my friend photobombed. Can you make him disappear? It's a potential profile pic and he's ruining it. James say what friend?
Bye, have a great time.
Hey James, could you do it so that the water goes in my mouth in this photo? I would really appreciate that. Thank you. James say wrong fountain. Hey James, so this is one of my senior pictures and I wanted to make sure you could tell I was in the water, but it just looks like I'm laying in black dirt. Is there any way you could make it look like I was underwater more? James say, sure. Hey James, you amazing at editing. I was wondering if you could make the phone in my pocket disappear. It's really noticeable. Thanks. James say, sure.
Wow! Beautiful!
To me, hey James, could you give me a summer body to go along with my wife's beautiful features? This is the best option I have until I can afford a gym membership. Thanks in advance. James say, there you have it.
Talo.
Hi James, I think I am a big fan of your work on Facebook now. I think it's my turn to ask you for some help. Can you please get rid of those mid fingers? James say, sure.
You serious?
To me, hey Jamie, really fan of what you do. Can you please erase the guy in the back? He kinda messes my pic. Thanks a lot. James say, here you go, buddy. To me, hey Jamie, fave pic, but he's so much taller than me that I can never fit both of our faces in frame for a profile pic. Can you fix it? James say, no doubt. To me, hi James, I don't have my nails done. Could you fix it? Tie. James say, fixed it. To me, hey, can you make my boyfriend's face a little smaller in this pic? Thanks. James say, done.